2021 Honda CR-V. The 2021 Honda CR-V minor facelift finally announced. This time the price is still competitive. At the same time, minor changes have been made to the appearance. The minor facelift models has been a more obvious upgrade. The 2021 Honda CR-V minor facelift is the main focus this time on safety, namely Honda Sensing, and Honda Lane Watch. Therefore, there is basically no major change in appearance and interior. They just replaced it with a more dynamic one. The bumper design is just that, the rest is the same as before the facelift. There are 3 models of 2021 Honda CR-V to choose from, namely the 2.0 two-wheel drive, 1.5 TC, two-wheel drive, and 1.5 TCP, four-wheel drive. It is worth mentioning that the entry-level model, 2.0 two-wheel drive, is equipped with Honda Lane Watch side blind spot display. The 1.5 turbo version is the standard Honda Sensing advanced active safety equipment for the entire car series. The Honda Sensing on the small facelift CR-V is the best equipped version. The basic automatic emergency braking, lane departure assist, automatic cruise control, and automatic adjustment of high and low beams. There is also a low-speed following system, which greatly improves driving safety and convenience. In terms of power configuration, there are still 2 engines available, the 2.0-liter iVTEC naturally aspirated engine, and the 1.5-liter VTEC turbocharged engine. The output of 190 horsepower, and 243 Nm, the fuel consumption of 2.0 engine is 7.3 liter per 100 km, and the 1.5 turbo engine is even better, 6.8 liter per 100 km, and 7.0 liter per 100 km respectively. Different fuel consumption is due to different wheel sizes, and TCP is 4-wheel drive model, fuel consumption is slightly higher. What do you think of 2021 Honda CR-V? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.